Guess what, guys? The Skydio 2 actually just came in today. Super excited. This is the battery. This is the beacon. But anyways, this is the case. The case came in here in this little box up in here. Nice and tight in there, so you don't have to worry about, you know, anything getting damaged. Case is actually, it's pretty light. Now, there is one thing in particular when I was looking for the drone case. Now, here was the biggest thing for me, wondering if the Skydio 2 has it, and it does. It has these little straps. I don't know if you guys see that. It has both of these straps. And I was like, yes! I am so happy it has those straps. The reason I want these straps is, come over here, let's go to the garage real quick. So here's my big thing. I don't like carrying, even though this is actually really light, I don't think it will bother me too much. I tend to strap it on, let's do it on this guy here. I tend to put it right here on my dirt bike. And this little thing, these little straps, you know, I have little Velcro straps, strap it on, and it's so easy for me. This is what I love. You see, these little straps are right beneath the zipper. So I could just literally open it up. When I'm ready to fly, bam. Well, let's go back inside because my garage is really cold. So it does have a strap right here for a shoulder strap. It doesn't seem that comfortable, to be honest, but I'm not using it, so I don't care. So let's go ahead and open this guy up. Let's get this guy out of the way. Okay. The case is definitely nice and tough. It seems to be a good protector. Let's open this guy up. This is the very first open. Very small, compact drone. I'm surprised. I thought it was going to be a little larger. You can kind of see it with my hand. That's interesting. So here's the battery. It's not going to be a demonstration on how to fly. I'll plan that another day. It's just an opening, a box opening. Maybe it'll help some of you guys out. Here's some of the information of the battery. So this is the battery. It's very light compared to my other drone. Nice quality. This is the cable, very thick cable. Here's a little cloth for the lens, which is nice, so you can clean out the lens over here. Some extra props. Honestly, I did not see an option online to get extra props. So that's the only thing I was wondering about. I mean, I'm very careful when I fly my drones. So here's the Wi-Fi name, and here it comes with the password right here. They do want you to remove it before flight. And on the moment of truth, wow, this thing is light. That is light. That's incredible. There's also a Wi-Fi password and the Wi-Fi name right there, just in case, let's say you do lose the sticker. So all in all, with the box opening, I'm gonna say it's all the parts are. It's very high quality. It's definitely not cheaply made. Like, I don't know if you've seen like some of these made in China type drones and stuff. They have a cheap feel. This is a very solid drone. You can tell they take a lot of pride in this. This is great. Let's go ahead and install the battery. So this is what it looks like with the battery. It's actually snug very tight. Using one hand, I can't even take it out. I'm not worried about that magnet. I'm not worried at all. This thing seems it's very solid made. It's amazing the construction and the technology they're using with this. So here's the beacon. It's just a little cover that goes right on top, just like this. So there is a little manual here, how to get started. As far as the Skydio, I did not see any instructions on how to get started. Oh, there is. It's right in the bottom. I must have missed it. But yep, here's the getting started. That is perfect. Nice foam padding on top right here too. So ensures it's nice and stable. Now, I'm a big sports person, extreme sports you can say. So the biggest thing for me was portability and these little strap things, of course. This is what made all the difference right here when I'm transporting it on my dirt bike, because I don't like weight on my backpack. So here's the Staker drone next to the Skydio. You can see it's quite the difference. Look at that. First of all, this thing is much heavier. The biggest issue is when I close it, those props get in the way. Even if you move it sometimes, you kind of, now on the Skydio, it does not seem that way at all. It's completely out of the way. And simple as that. Just take it out, get the beacon, launch it. I'll obviously do that video another day because it is extremely windy today. If you guys want to see more of the Skydio content and stuff like that, you know what to do. Subscribe, hit that bell button, and you guys will definitely see a lot more Skydio stuff coming out, especially on the dirt bike if you're into that stuff, and mountain biking too. I'm gonna start mountain biking as well. And I'll see you guys around.